you're the designer?
I'm one of the designers. So it's a family business. There's 3 designers. One of them, Catherine, she does a lot of the export range. I work a lot on the local range. And then we have our toy designer, Min, who's a genius.
Wow. And how long have you been here?
So
the whole business, how long has it been?
The whole business, about 26 years.
Wow.
So I was born outside of Vietnam, but my family has been living here for pretty much the 26 years.
Okay. And when did you come to Vietnam to join the family business?
So I grew up here. I left for university and I came back at the beginning of last year. So it's been just over a year.
You studied fashion design?
No, I studied science.
Oh.
So I did natural science, but I've always done design for my parents since I was a kid. So now I'm just getting paid to do it.
Okay. Do you sell boys' clothes as well?
Yeah, we do. We actually, boys is something that we're trying to be stronger in. So now we've kind of got our new boys collection, which is why I've tried to redo the display to kind of show off more of the boys things.
Cool. So what's the business process? So you have a design team and then you develop samples, and do you have your own factory or do you outsource?
We have our own factory. We outsource some because we do export as well for the US, UK, Japan, but our own collection, we also have a factory where it's nice because it's just the floor up where we can kind of walk up the stairs if you want to check on the sewing or do an embroidery. So kind of you can follow every stage within the factory yourself, which is great.
Okay. You design and produce your own brand. What's the name of the brand?
Albetta.
Albetta. And you sell it both locally, and do you do B2B, like wholesale?
Yeah, so we do wholesale to the UK, the US, Japan, a few other countries. We used to do Australia as well. We sell wholesale our own brand, but we also manufacture for other brands under their label.
Cool. Would you ever like offer a design and then put their label on it?
Yeah, so we work with a lot of brands like Evoca and the Royal Ballet and other brands that we do collaborations with, where we have both of our labels, sometimes just their label. And yeah, it's really exciting. We have a lot of projects going on with lots of different companies.
And what if a brand comes to you with a tech pack, so they have their own design and they want to do OEM?
Yeah, so we work with John Lewis, White Company, a lot of companies that we just do manufacturing for under their label.
Okay.
For more information about their MOQ, check out their website or contact their sales department team through their website.
What if, like, do you have like a catalog of designs that you've produced and the customers can pick from a catalog?
Yeah, we have a brochure that we put out spring, summer, autumn, winter, and our Christmas brochure. We also do lookbooks, and we do media packs for certain brands that we're collaborating with. It's all on our website, and we actually just opened our Vietnam online store as well.
And is this your only store?
No, so in Saigon we have Snap. We also have a shop in Vesta in Thao Dien. We're also in Diamond Plaza, Vincom, Takashimaya, Robbins in District 7, and in Hanoi we're in Lotte 1 and Lotte 2, and we're also in the domestic airports. And we're now talking with the international airports as well.
So if someone's interested to either produce their own designs with you or pick from your catalog, or maybe even sell your own brand, who should they get in contact with? What's the way to get started?
So if they look at our website, albetta.com, it has all of our details for local, international, and has kind of our retail contacts as well as our wholesale contacts, and all our brochures as well.
Wow, amazing. Describe the styles that you make. Like I see some onesies, really, for like infants, and then I see like cute dresses for young girls. Like what age group do you go up to? So
for the local market, we now go up to adults. So we go from newborn, which is kind of this area here. We also do boys, girls, and we've just started doing kind of twinning outfits. So mum and their little daughter, and so we have pajamas for adults and kids. And we also have dresses for adults and kids to match.
Wow.
We're trying to kind of, a lot of our customers have been buying from us since they were newborns, but now they're 8, 9, 10, and they're too old to fit a lot of our clothes. So we're trying to expand that age range to kind of, people wear it all through their lives.
So what's the percentage of boys and girls?
I think girls were stronger, just because boys, it's not as there's not as much variety for boys, which is sometimes not great, but we're really trying to push our boys range. So we just did our new Dino collection, our summer nautical collection. We don't do any adult men's things yet, but we're trying to expand.
So 20 years.
26.
26 years.
Yeah.
Has it just been steady growth, or was it like tough, and then all of a sudden things just took off?
I think it's been steady growth. COVID hit everyone in Vietnam really hard. So that was really tricky. But I would say recently we've been putting a lot more effort into the local retail side of things. So that's been growing a lot. Before I joined, we weren't really pushing local as much, and I've gotten a lot more involved in the local design. So we're trying to expand the range a lot more.
Okay, super. Wow, amazing. Okay, well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching to the end. Would you like to produce your product in Vietnam? My team and I offer consulting, factory introductions, factory tours, and sample development. In short, we are scouts for hire. Contact us today at vietnamfactorytours.com. Welcome to Vietnam.